Hello, and welcome to this demo video explaining what Opsian is. Opsian is a production profiling and observability agent. We enable you to see how your application is performing in production right down to the method and line. It's used to reduce infrastructure costs and increase scalability, but also enables very fast root cause analysis when there are performance regressions introduced by changes. Our JVM agent is incredibly simple to add to your existing application. Just add it to the command line options when you run your application in production. Once the Opsian agent is up and running, it reports back to our cloud-hosted dashboard. You gain insight into what your application is doing at the moment, or select other time periods for historical comparisons. Once you've narrowed down the time range, there are several views that you can select from in order to view the profiling data. Each one of these visualizations will help you understand your application's performance in different ways. If you've ever wanted to understand both how much time is spent in a method and also why the method was called, then flame graphs are for you. Flame graphs are a great new visualization where each box is a method that's been called, and the larger the box, the more time your application has spent in that method. If you're more familiar with the traditional tree view of profiling, we've got you covered. Here, each node in the tree is a method, and the children of the tree are being called by their parents. The right-hand columns in this view show how much time your application is spending in different methods. You can also filter this view by the name of the individual thread. Thread pools are automatically detected and grouped together. Expanding the tree can show you which method is taking up time and how it was being called. Sometimes methods can get called from many different places and be a good hotspot to optimize, but you won't spot them on the tree view because they're at the bottom of the tree. This is where the simple hotspots view comes into play. It's just a list of how much time is being spent in a given method. If you're tired of not knowing what your application is really doing and want an incredibly low overhead, always on profiler, then head over to Opsian.com and sign up for your free 30-day trial.